Hi everyone, I'm Heather from Sunshine and Family Time, and we are so excited to be walking into Magic Kingdom today. We're walking this super forever long parking lot. But anyways, we're walking in, we're doing the Tiana's pass holder preview today. We got boarding group number 19, and it's been down for most of the morning. It's a 12:08 right now. But they are finally boarding. I think it's boarding groups like 1 through 12 right now. We're number 19, and I think our pass, it says like our callback time is like 12:22. So, but there was a lot of people back there at the tram, so we're walking it and going straight to the Bayou. All right, so join us today, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We made it. We are in. It is 12:31, so I think our boarding group is going to be called at like 12:35. 19. Woo. Yeah, literally walked up right when it said 19. We're in the queue. The outdoors. Oh, still have like birdhouses up there. All kinds of plants. Still in line. Here's your garden: onions, celery, and green peppers. Okra. Those are some giant onions, though. Princess Tiana's throws Mardi Gras party for all of New Orleans. That's a lot of beignets. First place every time. Oh, it's her family. It's Tiana's family. How the pictures on the wall. Oh, this is like a little pantry.
Permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuiden a sus pequeños y venga la diversión.
Oh, this part feels good here. It's like air conditioning.
Dentro del vehículo y cuiden a sus pequeños y venga la diversión.
You must be 40 inches tall. Kids in front of us. Oh. No. Oh, I love those flowers. I know they're fake, but I love irises. Oh, look at that drop.
Look out, Bayou, here we come. Yeah, thanks for helping me look for musicians for our party tonight. Lois, they're on their way. Oh, I got you look over.
Look at the okra moving.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow a horn and sound? Hello?
Purple pod beans. Look at those guys. Oh, those are cameras. Oh, here goes a drop. I love how you can see people go through there. Woo!
Tiana, what you, y'all? This Dinoco man she found can play. Hallelujah!
We'll ask Ben to join the band for sure. Right here. How they still They sure can play. We've got to keep searching high and low.
How can I go?
Hi there, Mr. Gold. It's Fizzle.
How to make me and to get tiny.
We have to find them. Wait, I left the door. Oh no. Wait, I left your God.
Oh, the water is like going on top of us.
How do you get that big? How do you get that big?
Hope you enjoy getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, bold, beautiful self.
Oh, and hold on to your hat.
Now let's get you to the party. You'll get there in no time. Guaranteed.
I got so wet. My back is dry. I screwed it forward. I told you to put your foot forward. My butt hurts so bad. I'm completely dry. Like my hat's not even wet.
Got a plant umbrella.
And you look. Oh, the block. Oh, the big block. I got more wind on
Oh, those are beautiful.
Is it combo? Is it combo? Out there.
one time. Down to the sun.
Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you.
It's another big drop.
Tiana sure knows how to make a party special. Just fill it up with special people like you. Remember, this party wouldn't be what it is without you. Bye.
And you were finally happy I was done with people in the very top of the car.
These are a sealers for your pump backs and dump for the freestyle.
We just got off of Tiana's Bayou and it was so much fun. I'm so excited that we were able to ride it today because it was shut down for a while this morning. But they called our boarding group and we were able to ride it. The kids rode in the front, we rode right behind them, and it was so much fun. We got splashed, we got cooled off after standing in the line. But the line actually went pretty fast before us. And it was really neat to walk through the queue and see the different things that they have inside for Tiana and the ribbons that she's won. And the pictures in the kitchen with the beignets. It was really, really cute. And we loved the ride. It was so cute. I love seeing fireflies. I love seeing all the animatronics. And of course, the drops were amazing too. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more of these videos. And now, it's your family time. Bye!